we're looking at a very interesting French volume. Look at that great binding from the, right here, from 1751, mid-18th century. It is part of a large set, and what we have here is an odd volume, volume 7, with original marbled paper, end papers. The board edges have gilt work, so the spine has that typical mid-18th century French look. There's a nice mottled calf. But this volume here deals with various types of machinery, including presses, diamond engraving, minting of coins, gears, clocks, watches, carpentry, as well as a section at the rear on commerce. But what distinguishes this volume, in addition to this very nice frontispiece engraved by Lebas, are all of these folding engraved plates. That's one, for instance, on carpentry. There are approximately, I believe it is 33 of them. Most of them engraved by Lebas, a very famous and skilled engraver of this era. And as we go through it, we will see this is for diamond cutting or engraving here. And here we see, for instance, this one, like a foundry. Then we have this one here, showing big gears. Here's this one. They're everywhere. There's a lot of them. This one. It's a press. For making, it looks like some kind of a cider, perhaps. The explanation for each of the plates with detail is within the text. Look at that. Huh. Interesting. And so on. Like so. That's for glass making. And here's for a clock, the calibration of a clock. And there's some of these smaller plates here. These are engraved by Buorgoin. And there's like so. They're all like they're typefaces or handwriting of different ages and eras. And then there is, at the back here, an extensive section on commerce after we get past more of these gear plates. Recapitulation of the arts. Okay. And here we are, so we get into commerce. But there's all of this whole rear section here is about commerce. And so we acquired it like this. We're going to offer it like that. And it's now available online from me, Brian DeMambra.